In this video, I will be telling you how the Odoo HubSpot connector works. First of all, we have to log into the hubspot.com to get the access token. Integration and private apps. Now, from this token, you can access, copy it, and paste it here in the settings. Now, we'll test the connection. The connection is established. Now we will move towards mapping the fields. For example, contact. We will select one of operation type, import or export. Let's say for import, set the custom date range. First we will refresh the columns. Here we can map the HubSpot fields. For example, first name. This will give you the liberty of which field you want to map, and set the start date, for example 2022 September. I already have some demo data for testing purposes. There is contact, around 153 contacts. So let's import this first. So the import operation has been performed. I paused this video to save time. We can view the number of imports using the button import history here, where can you can see the number of contacts imported are 153. Then there are 153 records on HubSpot, and 53 engagements like tasks, notes, calls, or meetings are also imported. Let me check. You can add a custom filter for HubSpot ID. HubSpot ID is set. So you are viewing 151. That's because on the number of users in of HubSpot are also imported. So we can view any contact, for example, a new user. Alirazar, you can see that is something that we can check here. This is the contact. So the address is also matched here. Now we will perform one export operation, but before that I would like to import this sale orders first. So I am sorry, the tickets first. Now we'll import this too. Now the import operation for ticket has been performed. You can view it on import history where there are 10 tickets imported with along with its engagements. So we can verify it on HubSpot. These are the 10 tickets, and here are the tickets. These are the 10 tickets. So now we will perform one export operation for contacts, but first we will create a couple of contacts for that. You just need to make sure that all the contacts have different emails, otherwise you won't be able to create a contact there. So now I have created two contacts and I will be exporting them. So now I have also performed the export contact operation. Here you can see two contacts are exported. We can view it on here. Uh, these are the two contacts that I created with this email. Let me preview it. This is the email and the phone number that I entered there, and this is the email here with the position architect. And similarly, you can export the other contacts and the company.